Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping skin, cleanse, moisturize, and let products absorb for a minute or two so the corrector sits smoothly. Next, apply a lightweight primer where pores or texture show. This creates a grip for color correction. Then pick up a small amount of the Elf Blue Corrector on a synthetic brush or fingertip and dot only the areas with warm orange or peach discoloration. This first step is about placement and restraint. Less is better, because you can always build coverage. Once you've placed the blue corrector, you blend with a dense synthetic brush or fingertip using gentle tapping and small outward strokes. You want to diffuse edges without wiping product away. That preserves color correction where you need it. If coverage is insufficient, add thin layers rather than one heavy coat. This keeps the finish natural. Make sure to soften harsh lines into surrounding skin. If you notice shine, lightly set with a puff of translucent powder between layers to lock placement. You finish by applying foundation or a matching concealer over the corrected zone, using thin layers and patting motions so the blue stays neutralized by coverage. Then set gently with translucent powder to avoid movement and mist a setting spray to melt layers together for a natural look. If the blue shows through, don't panic. Remove excess product with a damp sponge, reapply a thinner layer, or counteract by adding a tiny touch of peach-toned concealer. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.